Good morning students. Today we are going to start new lesson. That lesson name is affirmative and negative sentences. We learned that many types of sentences like assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, operative sentence. Among that sentence we have to learn or we want to study the types of sentences, that is different one, that is affirmative sentence first one and second one is negative sentence. First one is affirmative sentence and second one is negative sentence. Affirmative means sakaratmak, positive, okay, positive sentence that shows the positiveness. In that sentence there is no any negative word, okay. Assertive sentence or affirmative sentence the same like that, okay. Affirmative sentence means होकारार्थी वाक्य. अशी वाक्य असतात की ज्यामध्ये काय असतं की होकारार्थीपणा सांगितलेला असतो, सकारात्मक असतात, affirmative, okay, basically. And negative sentence, okay, the negative sentence means नकारार्थी वाक्य की ज्यामध्ये नकारार्थी शब्द आलेले असतात, negative words आलेले असतात, okay. These are the two types. Today we have to start the lessons affirmative and negative, okay. Basically what is meant by the affirmative, we have to learn that. Look here, affirmative sentence means what? Affirmative sentence are those statements, okay. Look here, affirmative sentence are those statements that gives positive information, that gives positive information. अफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स, अफर्मेटिव्ह म्हणजे होकारार्थी असं वाक्य असतं की जे काय करतात की असं विधान करतात. स्टेटमेंट्स मीन्स विधान, ओके. स्टेटमेंट that gives the positive information, जे की सकारात्मक माहिती देतात, अशा वाक्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? अफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स असं म्हणतो, होकारार्थी वाक्य असं म्हणतो. नाउ लुक हियर इज वन एक्झाम्पल, ओके. Hari is a good boy. Hari is a good boy. Example. For example, Hari is a good boy. This is the simple sentence or affirmative sentence which gives positive information. About that subject. Affirmative sentence असं वाक्य असतं की जे कर्त्याविषयी माहिती कशी देतो? होकारात्मक, सकारात्मक माहिती सांगितलेली असते. त्या वाक्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? अफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स असं म्हणतो. यालाच आपण मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो? होकारार्थी वाक्य. काय म्हणतो आपण याला? होकारार्थी वाक्य. Okay, now look here. The next point of that affirmative sentence, they can be declaration. Declaration means assertive sentence in simple sentence, okay. They can be declaration, question, and exclamation or an imperative also, okay. होकारार्थी वाक्य कशा पद्धतीचे असतात? एक तर ते साधी सिंपल किंवा assertive sentence असू शकतात, ते प्रश्नामध्ये सुद्धा असू शकतात, किंवा मग ते उद्गारवाचक वाक्य सुद्धा असू शकतात, एक्सक्लेमेशन और इंपरेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स, किंवा मग ते आज्ञार्थक वाक्य सुद्धा असू शकतात. अफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स म्हणजे होकारार्थी वाक्य हे कुठल्याही पद्धतीचं असू शकतं. ते साधं वाक्य असू शकतं, ते प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य असू शकतं, ते आज्ञार्थी वाक्य असू शकतं, किंवा उद्गारवाचक वाक्य असू शकतं, ओके. दे कॅन बी अ डिक्लेरेशन, a question, an exclamation or an imperative also. Which sentence? Or affirmative sentence. Now look here, for example, do you smoke cigarette? Question mark, okay. Do you smoke cigarette? Question mark. This is a interrogative sentence, but it is a positive or it is a affirmative sentence. In that sentence there is no any negative word like not, no, never, none, this, okay. These are the negative words. I will explain, I will tell you later, okay. Now this sentence is related with interrogative. Look here, at the last of that sentence there is a interrogation mark, okay, or question mark, so that that sentence related with interrogative sentence or it is a question, though it is a positive sentence, so it is a affirmative sentence, okay. Affirmative sentence can be a question, okay. Are you getting that? बघा, अफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स से काय असू शकते? एखादा प्रश्न सुद्धा असू शकतो, ठीक आहे. नाउ द सेकंड वन एक्झाम्पल इज हियर, माय ब्रदर विजिट्स पुणे, ओके. माय ब्रदर विजिट्स पुणे. इट इज वन डिक्लेरेशन और इट इज वन assertive sentence. हे वाक्य कसं आहे? साधं वाक्य आहे, simple sentence. We can say that it is a declaration. It is a declaration and it is a positive declaration. कशी माहिती आहे? Positive माहिती. So that it is related with affirmative sentence. So this, my brother visits Pune. This sentence related with affirmative sentence. Now third one is here sentence. Look here. Tell him to stay here. Tell him to stay here. This sentence is an imperative sentence because the starting of that sentence is with verb. Okay? या वाक्याची सुरुवात कशाने झालेली आहे? क्रियापदाने झालेली आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे. It gives order. Okay? It gives order or it is maybe one suggestion like that. Okay? So it is related with imperative sentence. Okay? Tell him to stay here and it is the positive statement or positive that means it shows the positiveness. Okay, positive information, so that it is related with affirmative sentence. It related with affirmative sentence. I hope you can get the exact idea about the affirmative sentence, what is meant by the affirmative sentence. And it can be a declaration, it can be a, or it might be a question, it might be an exclamation, or it might be imperative sentence. Okay, now move on next point, that is the negative sentence. Okay, what is meant by the negative sentences? Negative sentences are those statements that refuse. Okay, refuse means nakarne, like that. Okay, deny means मनाई करणे, नकार देणे. Okay, and prohibited म्हणजे मनाई करणे, सक्त मनाई. Okay, something, to do something. Okay, it is related with refuse, it is related with deny, it is related with prohibit. That means all three words are giving the same meaning. हे जे वाक्य असतात हे काय दाखवतात? नकार दाखवतात. काय दाखवतात? नकार किंवा प्रतिबद्ध म्हणजे काहीतरी करू नका, मनाई करण्यास सांगितलेलं असतं. काय सांगितलेलं असतं? मनाई केलेली असते की काहीतरी करू नका. समथिंग. ओके, प्रोहिबिट समथिंग. रिफ्यूज मध्ये तुम्हाला नकार दिलेला असतो, लाईक दॅट. A sentence or a statement which shows the refuse, deny or prohibit something, that statement is called negative sentence. आणि अशा वाक्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? निगेटिव्ह वाक्य असं म्हणत असतो. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड नकारार्थी इन मराठी, नकारार्थी वाक्य. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. For example, in that sentences, the words like no, not, never, none, this comes. Okay, so many words comes in the negative sentence. No, not, never, none, like that. Okay, these type of words comes in a negative sentence. Now the example is here. First one, look here. Don't you smoke cigarette? Question mark. It is also interrogative sentence, but in that sentence they use here also don't. Okay, don't, doesn't, didn't, hadn't, all these words. Okay, helping verb or auxiliary verb plus not. Auxiliary verb plus not, that shows the negativeness. Look here, do plus not, that indicate the negativeness. Do not, don't. Okay, don't you smoke cigarette? Question mark. It is a one interrogative sentence, it is one question, and in that question they use here negative word, that is don't. So it is a negative sentence. हे वाक्य कसं आहे? नकारार्थी वाक्य आहे. यामध्ये काय केले? सहाय्यकारी क्रियापदासोबत नकारार्थी शब्द वापरलेला आहे. Abbreviate form of that verb, do not sir, don't वापरलेले. Okay, so it is related with negative sentence. Now the second sentence is here. Look here. No, comma, I have never smoked a cigarette in my life. No, look here, the negative word is come here. No, never also. Okay, this word shows the negativeness, नकारार्थीपणा दाखवतात. ओके, असं सेंटेन्स, असं डिक्लेरेशन ज्यामध्ये नकारार्थी शब्द असतात, that refuse or deny or prohibit something. Okay, that statement is called negative sentence. Okay, no, I have never, look at this word which shows the negativeness. I have never smoked a cigarette in my life. This sentence, okay, हे कुठला आहे? इंट्रोगेटिव्ह आहे आणि हे कुठला आहे? असर्टिव्ह सेंटेन्स. Okay, now look here, the third one. My brother doesn't visit Pune. It is also assertive sentence, but it has negative word, that is doesn't. Okay, according to sentence meaning. Now the fourth one is here. Don't tell him to stay here. It is one imperative sentence, and in that imperative sentence there is one negative word, that is don't. Okay, don't tell him to stay here. It shows the negativeness, it shows the deny. Okay, so it is related with negative sentence. I hope you can get the exact idea related with affirmative sentence and negative sentence, what they are. Okay, affirmative means positive sentence and negative means that deny or negative, that means they refuse. Okay, in simple language. The remaining part of this lessons we will see in next video. Thank you.